We are live with another edition of Learn Python from Scratch, live open coding lesson using futurecoder.io. Here is the next section on if and else. So, an if statement can optionally have an else part. Run this example.
Okay. I'm gonna take a gamble as I'm doing this. It's else it could coexist with the if condition, meaning if it doesn't work, then we can try this other option.
Yeah, it's the opposite of
False.
it works the opposite way as the block after the if line.
But it only works opposite. Oh, sorry, go on. Sorry.
So we'll run this program and then we'll
and
then we'll see what we see.
Okay, did I do it right?
Wait a second. I think my video alignment is off. That's weird. Because I don't see your run button.
Oh, you sure maybe my virtual camera, like it's not a mistake on my part?
You may have moved your
I did
the thing relative to the virtual camera. That's looking better.
But then you're still not able to see the all the way in the corner where it's.
So I pulled your video off of the stream so we can troubleshoot it.
Real quick. Yeah, I fixed it.
Now it's looking good. I'll bring it back.
Yeah, wait, can I zoom in? Wait, no, not like that. Okay, I fixed it though. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Now this is looking better. Now I see run and snoop. Okay. We did that. Now it says now change the first line to condition equals false, then run it again.
Okay, okay. Not gonna do that, and then it's gonna say no.
Correct. Exactly. Yes. That's how it works. So once you understand if, else is just the opposite.
Now it's making sense, because I was thinking false was basically else. You know what I'm saying? Like initially when we were doing true and false, I thought it was saying if true do this, if not true do false. That's
yeah, you were looking for that, but it didn't have that.
Now we finally
in there, but now that we add else, we do have something that looks like that.
Right. So now
here's think of else as saying or else or otherwise. It means that if the condition in the if is false, then the body of the else will run instead. Whether the condition is true or false, exactly one of the two bodies will run. Here's a more interesting example to run. Sentence equals hello world, excited equals true, if excited sentence equals sentence dot upper, else sentence equals sentence dot lower, print sentence.
You see what just happened, right? It made the upper blue.
Yep.
But it doesn't match the example.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make a note in Twitch that again different colors are COLORS are confusing.
Yeah, even did with the lower. Oh boy.
Yeah, I did the same thing with dot lower.
So, what the heck? What could this possibly mean when it says sentence dot upper?
Well, let's run it and find out.
Oh.
Uppercase.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Now, why would I want that? Why
would you want uppercase?
Yeah, why would I?
Well, for emphasis, I guess, in this example.
Okay. Okay, got you.
Okay, sentence.upper is a new kind of expression we haven't encountered yet. What's going on here is that sentence is a string, and strings have various methods that let you conveniently calculate new values from them, including upper and lower. The names refer to uppercase capital letters and lowercase small letters. Hello world.upper evaluates to quote hello world, as you see with capitals. It doesn't change the contents of sentence, though. So you have to assign the new value again with sentence equals sentence.upper. Now change excited to false and run it again.
What could the result possibly be? Obviously, it's lower. All right. Oh, broken program. Story of my life. Okay. Let's see. Wait, why is it broken?
Yeah. Oh, here's a broken program. Okay. Sentence equals hello world. Excited equals true. If excited, character plus equals exclamation point. Sentence plus equals character. Print sentence. Can you see the problem? If you run it, everything seems fine. So let's run it.
Yeah, well,
we'll run it as it is. Or have you run it? Have you ran it?
Yeah, I did.
You did.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry,
Hello
I missed
world.
that. Yeah, hello world. So it looks fine. What could go wrong? Well, now, spoilers below. Have you figured it out? What happens if you change excited to false?
Why would that? Wait. Print sentence is not a part of the if condition, right?
The body of the if is only line 5.
Okay. Just making sure. How the heck is this broken? Whoa. So it's
it has an error.
What in the world?
Let's scroll up and see the error.
Char is not defined.
You see what they did?
Well, no, because the way I'm looking at it, sorry, I don't even know why I did that. Char is not defined when evaluating char. But I gave it the value. I mean the variable sentence. I gave it the value of hello world.
Sentence has a value of hello world. What about char?
Well, char doesn't. But if I'm hitting false, it voids this, right? Because
it only voids line 5.
Oh, okay.
So let's snoop on this. I think that let's run snoop and see if that helps.
Wait, before I hit snoop, tell me this. That was an accident. Tell me this. If this was indented, if sentence was indented, would that mean it's a part of the if condition?
That would put it in the if block. In the body of the if.
And that would have solved my problem.
That would have solved the problem. That's true.
Okay. That's what was messing me up. That's what was messing me up just there.
Yeah, and it kind of looked like, the way that there's no extra line between 5 and 6 makes it look like 6 is a part of the if, but because of the on indent, it's actually not.
And I keep sorry. Okay, but so sentence equals hello, excited equals false. Now, okay, line 4 because there's no line 3. If excited, well, that's voided out because it's a false. It's false condition. False, yeah, condition is false. So whatever is after the line, not whatever is after, but line 5 is voided out because that's a part of the condition. The if condition, I should say.
Line 5 is part of the body.
Part of the body.
The body of the if statement.
Body of the if statement. Okay. And so obviously we can't go through that. But now we're trying to do line 6, which is sentence plus equals char, and we don't know what char is because line 5 never went through.
Right.
Right. But yeah, that what was messing me up is I keep forgetting because I see it like this, like close with each other.
Yeah, they
I
look
see it
like they go
close to each other.
together.
Like honestly, I want to call them out and say if it's not gonna be a part of it, like why not have a gap between?
Yeah, that might have helped.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a professional or anything, but I feel like that would help a new learner by having that line between them, like that gap between them. I mean, and then they'll be like, huh, okay, so this if statement, um, it's not gonna happen obviously because it's false. And then I see this sentence plus equals char. Wait a minute, it can't go with char because char never went through. Like, but because I saw it close to each other, I'm thinking I'm thinking this is together. So because it's false, I can completely neglect this because it's not going to go through. And it's printing sentence, which is just this.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm probably just yeah. It's probably just me. But
You just
I
forgot to look for the on indent.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I need. I'm still working on reading it. Um,
Yep.
but okay.
By the way, I'm
Where
gonna
were
I'm
you?
gonna make one minor edit to the stream, which is
Mhm.
I'm gonna add a picture of a astronaut in space with a spectrum visualizer, so people will see some motion while you talk.
Oh, cool,
Yeah.
cool.
All right. Um.
Yeah. Wait, where
That's
where was
Let's
where
see.
was it?
Where are we now?
I think it was all the
I
way.
think you managed to go back to the previous page somehow.
Oh, you know what I did? I have a gaming mouse and it has like a button that goes back
Yeah,
and forward.
I have that on my mouse.
Yeah, getting used to it. Um, it was this one. Yeah.
Okay, so if
Okay.
excited is true and char is defined, everything runs fine. But otherwise, char never gets assigned a value, so trying to use it in sentence equals plus equals char fails. Fix this by adding an else clause to the if so that if excited is false, a full stop is added to the end of the sentence instead of an exclamation mark.
So how did it go again with the
With the
like
if
how
and
do I do
else,
the else?
scroll up and
Yeah,
you'll see an example of it.
right. So you're saying after? No, actually, after this,
Correct.
I can do an else condition, and then um, and then in the body of it, sorry, what am I doing? Whoops.
You're adding
And
a
wait,
full stop period.
what?
It says fix this by adding an else clause to the if, so that if excited is false, a full stop period is added to the end of the sentence instead of an exclamation mark.
Okay. So that'd be char equals here. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I doing that? Okay, wait. Okay, okay. And instead of that, it's gonna do the period,
Mm-hmm.
right? There we go.
There you go.
Time for a challenge.
Write a program which, given a string sentence, prints a modified version with the same letters, where the first letter is capitalized and the rest are lowercase. For example, the output should be hello world,
Mm.
whether the input sentence equals quote hello world or quote hello world.
A string sentence where. Give me a second. Okay, so I would have to clear.
Yeah, you'll have to clear most of this.
Yeah. Okay. Or. But no. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. For no, it's no sentence. For sentence in char Yeah, right. For
I think
sentence
you've got
in
that
char.
backwards.
Oh, so it's for wait. So for okay. And okay. And then for character in sentence. Okay. Okay. I have to create an expression. Well, yeah, I mean this is gonna involve an expression. Or yeah, where I have to change. Wait, no, I'm great. No, I'm not saying this right. More sentence.
Let's first figure out how to take that first character and make it uppercase.
Well, well, my thought process was character dot upper.
Sure, that sounds right.
Yeah. Okay. But I wanted to print out each print sentence. Wait, oh, that's the wrong order. Oh, it's plus equals. Yeah. Wait, no, no, that's not how it works. But I'm just trying to see. Oh, what? Not built-in function or
Can
method
only
to
concatenate
string.
string, not built-in function or method. Upper is a function. You have to call. Well, it's a method because it said function or method. You have to use parentheses to call the method to get the string result.
Wait, basically putting quotes around character.
No.
Wait, no, that wouldn't be right. No.
Scroll up and look how they used upper before. See how it's upper
Mm,
left paren right paren?
mm.
That's the
But
pattern you need to follow.
why is that a thing that it requires parentheses?
It's a syntax thing to tell Python that you're looking for a method.
Mm,
Specifically, you're looking for the result of the method.
okay. Okay. Even though it's already highlighted upper, letting it know like this is not.
So the editor does the highlighting. The editor is separate from Python, so you have
Mm,
you have to tell you have to tell Python
so Python
using
doesn't actually
the
know.
using that. Okay, let's see this.
Okay, that's inserted. Okay. Hello world. Hello world. So that was silly.
Yeah, that didn't
Um,
work quite right.
but
You made a faux pas here, which
a
is
full.
a mistake.
Okay. Okay.
The mistake you made was the for loop is iterating over sentence, so you shouldn't modify sentence inside of the for loop.
Okay.
I would make a new variable called new sentence.
And about wait, let me see. Let me see something. Wait, why is it writing over it?
You hit insert again.
Again? Okay, there we go. There we go. So what I'm thinking is like, what if we did new sentence? Wait, how would that? Oh, what?
Invalid syntax at line 3. Oh yeah, because you forgot your underscore.
Wait, what? I didn't put.
We need new
Oh, you
underscore
mean?
sentence for it to
Oh,
be a
okay.
valid
So
variable
it
name.
can't be too. Okay, yeah, can't have a space in.
Can't have a space in a variable name.
Oh, but the only way I could. What if I did quote? Like, am I allowed to put a quote around the variable?
Well, it wouldn't be a variable anymore. It would be a string literal then.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to have two.
And you can't
Yeah,
assign a
what?
variable. You can't assign a value to a string literal.
Okay, that would be weird. Okay, okay. Yeah, but then it up. Hmm. Yeah, I done goofed. I done goofed. That was it. Um, what if? Wait. Oh my gosh, this is gonna no. Okay, obviously. How do I do it? Because I just realized something. Even if I do character upper and print out the whole thing, it's still gonna um do it for the W. Even when I do character upper,
Well, let's
it's
worry about one
gonna be
problem at a time. First, let's just build. Let's get a whole sentence built up. Because right now, what do you think? What is the output right now if we run it?
But is this how? Yeah, hello world. I mean, just prints it out like normally, or at least that's what it looks like.
Oh,
But if I
well, there's a couple. There's another mistake here. I see two mistakes, but let's run Snoop and maybe that'll help you
yeah,
catch what's going on.
sentence swirl, sentence goes blank. Nice. So character upper. This sentence equals H. Character inside and change the E. But what's weird is that it didn't print it out in all uppercases.
Yeah, see if
Yeah,
you can
it
puzzle
did it.
out why that didn't happen.
Wait, I gotta be reading this wrong. Because it gave me H. Sentence goes H. Right. For character in E. And then changed it to E.
Mm-hmm.
And then it took the L and made it an uppercase L. It did the same thing with the O and the O. But for character and sentence goes blank. Wait, where did this come from? Wait. For character and sentence. Character is blank.
Character is space.
Space.
It's the space between O and W.
Oh yeah. Okay, so okay, obviously didn't do that. Okay. And W. Wait, it did. Okay, no, okay, and it did. Yeah, it did with the W, did with the R, did with the L, did with the D. Is it? No, I'm a bit dumbfounded here. I'm actually even more confused because on Snoop, it seemingly looks like it should have printed out the whole thing in uppercases. Um,
There are two reasons
maybe.
why it did not print the whole thing out in uppercase.
Mhm.
One of those reasons is that new sentence only contains one character at the end.
What? Right?
The second reason is you're not even printing new sentence.
I'm printing sentence itself, bruh.
Yep.
Uh, wait, so
Yep. There you go. You got
even
it.
if I made that attempt,
Let's clip that.
right? I mean, obviously, I know this not gonna solve my problem, but helps me. Okay, okay, okay.
At least the world
So
makes a little more sense now.
I see what you did there. Um, shoot, come on, use that brain of yours. Um, so if I did put, oh, no, this doesn't solve my thing, but it kind of. Oh, okay,
So we're a
okay,
little
okay.
closer because now we have a full sentence and we even have the first character in the correct case.
So, so now how do I get it to do for the first one and not the rest? I would have to do something outside of the body of the loop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. So I wanted to.
Here's a concept. What if you had a Boolean variable called first that held information about whether we were in the first iteration of the for loop? Don't worry, like,
eh,
I'm designing data right now. I'm not going to tell you how to implement it, but I'm going to tell you there's going to be a variable called first, and it should be true on the first iteration of the for loop, but false thereafter.
If if um if 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 how do I do it? If condition. Wait. Wait, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out.
Okay.
Like,
I'm
what
listening.
if I made first capital H and then yeah, I did it right. What if I made first capital H, right? Hear me out, hear me out.
I'm listening.
And I put if first wait. If I'm trying to make it so it's like if first equals like I'm trying to let it know like if first equals H and then I wanted to state like if first equals H,
I have a problem
then
with
make
your plan. What if your boss comes back to you, like you turn in this code and you say, hey, I've got code that takes hello world and turns it into capital H followed by lowercase everything else. And your boss says, that's great, but this also has to work with goodbye world. This is about making functions more general. Not functions, but making code more general.
Universal. Okay, so that's that. Like, yeah, that works in theory, but in the long run, will screw me over.
It works for hello world, but it doesn't work for goodbye world, and we want code that works in more cases. I'll give you a hint. Let first just equal true.
Wait. Okay, but if first equals true, so if first but then how do I make that? Wait, but it's not gonna this condition. Are we making a compound?
We will need a compound statement, yes.
I don't even fully understand those yet.
Well, here's your chance to explore it further.
Yeah. If first it works. If first Newson? No. Yeah, no, yeah. Plus equals? Yes. It's obviously that's not gonna work, but new sentence. I don't know, bro. Okay, obviously. New sentence plus equals
Invalid syntax at line 9. Remember variables and underscores?
Oh my god. Sorry.
It's okay. Hey, we've got a hint from the audience. First time chat, MaxGo892 says indentation is wrong.
For the not the print, obviously.
And then
the
MaxGo892 says Moin, I just thought. I don't understand you, MaxGo, but thanks for the follow, MaxGo.
Indentation is wrong. Indentation is wrong. Indentation is wrong.
Let's run it now and see if you can figure out. See if you can.
Wait, what do you mean? I just ran already. The hello.
Oh, actually, Moin now says it's right. I was wrong. It's not quite right, but run it now and see what happens. Oh, yeah, we did run it. Yeah. We have hello
Yeah.
world, and then we have D,
And a capital
lowercase.
D at the same time.
So something's a little
So
funny.
still new sentence plus equals. How about new sentence? Wait. Oh, okay. Okay. Plus. Wait, no. Plus equals character. So it's gonna. Let me look at Snoop. Like I feel like Snoop. Sentence. Okay. First is true. First is true. Right. Right. Skips. Okay. That's why it's plain. H. Okay. So it loops. So it turns to H. Okay. So E to H E. L to H E L. See hello. It says a blank. Oh, because there's a blank in the middle. Hello space. WORL. Okay. Well, yeah, I get that. I get that. But it. Where did that D come from?
Let me
Oh,
pause you
because I
for a
told it.
second. Maxco asks, what are you trying to do with this program? So let's, for the audience, remind ourselves what we are trying to do with this program.
Well, I would say what I'm essentially trying to do is wait. It's not showing an example. Yeah, it is. No, it's not.
Here's the text. Write a
Okay.
program which, given a string sentence, prints a modified version with the same letters, where the first letter is capitalized and the rest are lowercase. So we're trying to alter the capitalization of a sentence.
Mhm.
I think
Yeah,
we need to.
essentially,
I think we need to back up and review compound statements.
yeah. I completely lost it on that one.
So we're
This one?
combining compound statements. Let's back up to this section.
Okay.
So scroll up to the top of that.
Yeah.
Compound statements like for loops and if statements have bodies which are a list of inner statements.
Mm-hmm.
Maxgo says, I think it could be done with regex, but I might be wrong. It could be done with regex, but let's not open that can of worms.
Yeah, we're not in that yet.
Solaris, you're trying to do things the easy way. I'll come back to that. Combining compound statements. Compound statements like for loops and if statements have bodies which are a list of inner statements. Those inner statements can be anything, including other compound statements. Let's make a silly example. Delete the current program. Write condition 1.
Like all in one go. Condition 1.
Condition _1.
Oh, right.
Equals true. And then condition 2 equals true. And condition 3 equals true. Now we're going to go, let's make a blank line and type if condition 1 if condition 1 colon.
Sorry.
Now let's write another if statement. If condition 2 colon.
Wait, we're still the indent?
We what?
Wait, with
the indent, yes.
Okay.
If condition 2 colon new line, keep the indent. If condition 3 colon new line, print it's all true. I'll be right with you, Solaris. But in quotes, so it's a string.
Right, I keep forgetting. Sorry.
Let's run this. What the heck?
Line 1. Oh, I did that?
Did you
sorry.
indent everything by one space? That is so weird.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Yeah, there was just a space sitting there, and the editor kept that space for you line after line. That's so weird.
Okay.
So the indentation's still a little bit funny, but it's at least valid runnable Python now.
Yeah. So
actually, I'd like you to, for the purpose of the demonstration, reset the indentation. Yeah, that's better. bring it back, and then tab to put it forward, and then bring this one back and tab to bring it forward. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's inspect one of the statements in the text on the left. It's like again, it said compound statements like for loops and if statements have bodies which are a list of inner statements. Those inner statements can be anything, including other compound statements. So when you can kind of look at line 6 in isolation.
Okay, in isolation.
I guess I don't know what I meant by that. So forget I said that, but an if condition can live at 0 indent, or it can live at 4 spaces of indent, or it can live at 8 spaces of indent. But the important thing is, where is it relative to the next line?
I get what you mean by that. You're good.
Okay, so that's one example. Let's start again. And let me show you what you can do with nested for loops. So delete all this. Word equals quote ABC. Now blank line for char in word. Okay, now we're going to do again for char in word. No, for char 2 in word, sorry. Let's go back to line 3 actually and make it char 1, char underscore 1.
Wait a minute.
For char 1 in word. Max go, no, we did not do big O yet. And Solaris had said print empty string dot join e.upper, comma e greater equals star times I equals 0. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're doing like a tuple or a list indexed by the thing. Okay.
Yeah, we have.
Sorry, I got distracted by chat. On line 4 for char 2 in word.
Oh, 2. Okay, I'm sorry.
For char 2 in word.
Oh, I can't type.
For char underscore 2. For char underscore 2 in
underscore
word.
2. Okay. What am I doing? Okay.
A couple of things to fix. On line 3, it should be for char 1 in word.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay. And on line 4, let's replace TO with the number 2.
Oh,
now let's go one more time. For char 3 in word. Colon. Print.
I don't have to do all these spaces, right, for the print?
Yes, you do.
Oh, I do.
I want you to be fully indented. Print.
All right.
Char 1.
Right.
Plus. Char 2. Plus char 3.
You
and run this.
Holy smokes!
I don't know if this is going to be helpful. Actually, now that I think about it, this might just be too much detail.
You never told me I can print out a specific char in the loop. Like I mean like you never showed me this, the char underscore 1.
Let me simplify the example. Go to line. We're going to edit this program to make it a little easier to comprehend. Go to line 1 and say my first word equals AB. No, the variable name will be my underscore first underscore world. My first word.
You said
my first word.
Like that?
Yep, equals quote AB. Just AB.
See? Oh, AB. Sorry.
Smaller example. Now, on the next line.
Like line 2 or?
Line 2, yeah. My underscore second underscore word equals quote CD.
CD.
Now on line 3, let's have
My third.
4. No, we're only going to do 2 this time. We're only going to go too deep.
4.
For my first character.
Wait, but that becomes a for loop.
My underscore for FOR space.
Oh, okay.
MY underscore first underscore character. First underscore character.
Okay. That's right, character.
We need an underscore between first and character.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
In my first word.
In my first
colon. New line. For my second character in my second word. Colon. New line. Print.
Oh.
Yeah, we're only going too deep. Print my first character plus my second character. And delete everything below this.
I was about to say, because that's confusing.
Yeah, those other things we don't need. Okay, we can run this.
Okay. AC A B. No, AD BC BD. Okay.
This might be a good one to snoop. So let's copy this program.
Oh, I think I just realized you can get Snoop from this.
Oh, that's
yeah.
neat.
I learned that when I was at work. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll scroll to the top of that output, or it is at the top already.
Yeah, it is at the top. Yeah, you see it?
Okay, we have a first-time chat from Adviz. What is this? This is futurecoder.io, and this is a live Python lesson centered on that platform. Okay, first word equals quote AB, second word equals quote CD. For my first character in my first word, my first character equals A.
Mm-hmm.
For my second character in my second word, my second character equals C.
Right.
And then print my first character plus my second character to give AC.
Right. I get it. AC, because they're first each of their respective values. So it's A and C, put it together. AC, right? I get the result. And it took D. I mean, I get that, and then as because it's a loop, it's exercising its other options, which is like B and C.
What I want you to notice about this pattern is highlight line 4 through AD.
Okay.
Actually, not that example of line 4. Line 4, higher up line 4.
Oh, higher. Oh, okay.
That one, yeah.
And then all the way to AD.
All the way to AD. Notice that looks a lot like a single for loop.
Wait, how did no? I don't see it as as a single for loop. Wait,
Darn, I thought this would be more helpful than it turned out to be. Do you have any questions about what we've seen here at this point?
Well, you completely changed the game on me, because I didn't even know you could control which character prints out first. Like okay, I'm seeing it weird. I didn't know in the loop, when you're creating a loop, I thought you could only start in sequence like the first character. I didn't know that you can literally tell it, oh, second character, start it with the second character, or start with.
Okay, I chose bad variable names. Let's go back and edit the program.
Okay.
Let's
Is that not what we just did though?
go to line 1.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you meant here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And delete my first word
Okay.
and call it string X. And now you need to go to line 4 and replace my first word with string X. No, that wasn't right.
Line 4.
Oh, excuse me. I told you the wrong line.
Sorry.
So undo that last one.
Sorry.
Replace every occurrence of my first word with string X. No, it's actually on line 3.
Oh, sorry.
That was my second word that you just replaced with string X.
Derp. You meant here.
Yeah, that's the one.
First. Okay. Where else was it? I think that was.
So take my first word and replace it with string X.
Oh my gosh. I can't do anything correctly today. There we go. All right. And then was there anything else I had to replace?
We're gonna go now. Replace my second word with string Y. And we have a note from the chat says BTW to the tutor. Would it maybe help if you switched the ID to Thani because he could see the iteration visually?
What?
We could try Thani. I haven't ever used it before. Let's see if we can make some mileage with this first.
Okay.
Let's focus on the tools we have. Now take my first character and replace it with ABCD. Replace my first character with character F.
Where? In the print?
Character underscore F.
In the print?
In the print and in the declaration.
Oh wait, both sides? Like character?
No, only replace my first character with character F.
Okay. Let me revert that. Okay, character F. So this one as well.
That's my second character. I want you to replace my first character with character F.
Okay. Sorry about that.
And for style, let's make it a lowercase f.
Okay.
Adviz says, or PyCharm edu. PyCharm edu could be a good one. Great, we're almost there. Now replace my second character with character G.
At least my second character?
Yeah.
The character G.
Mm-hmm. And run that.
Okay. AC.
So it's the same output. We didn't change the functionality. We just changed the variable names. So let's snoop it.
Character F. Oh, is that all we did? Okay, because this whole time you had me confused, thinking like I can change like which character it does in sequence.
Yeah, it was a misleading variable name, and I just wanted to get away from that variable name.
Okay, that threw me off. I'm like, whoa. Character. Okay, A and string X. I get that. And then it's like two loops into each other. Yeah, for character G. Okay, so if that's the case, that still doesn't help me understand how I'm gonna set up a compound for that question. I mean, not question, but example that I was trying to do that we're doing all of this for right now.
Okay, in that example, we actually have a for loop and we need an if statement inside of it. So let's write a program that uses a for loop and an if statement. And I'm going to show you a program that alternates uppercase with lowercase.
Oh, like you're gonna have me type the program, or?
Yeah, I'll have you type the program, but I'll design the program. Okay. So let's say word equals pick a word, or sentence equal, make it a sentence. Sentence equals and you get to choose the sentence.
Apples, because I'm hungry.
Apples are tasty. Sentence equals quote,
Yeah.
apples are tasty.
Oh yeah, I forgot the quote. I'm sorry. I'm like, my brain is fuzzy right now. Oh, wait, apples are tasty.
Yep.
You said.
Quote. That's great.
Yeah.
Let's see. Now, new line.
Okay.
Toggle equals true. New line. Another new line.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry.
For character in sentence. Colon. Let me think. If toggle colon. How do I want to do this? Okay, if toggle sentence plus equals
Yes.
character dot upper parens.
Oh, whoa.
Else, so back up the indentation. Colon. Sentence. But we need the indentation after else.
Another one?
We need another indentation after else, correct.
You mean like this? So
No. Else was okay. Line 8 was okay. Now hit enter. And we have 8 spaces of indentation, which is the right number for line 9. So type sentence plus equals character.
Sorry, I got
Lower.
right.
Okay, that's a good start. So we need a little bit more for it to make this program work. So make a new line.
Still. Oh, for the print.
Nope.
No.
Good. Now decrease the indentation.
Okay.
Write if toggle colon new line toggle equals false. New line on indent else.
Right. Oh, all the way here?
Single on indent.
Okay, I was about to say.
Else colon toggle equals true. Oh, advs, thank you. I made a big mistake there. I'll fix that in a second. Toggle equals true. On line 4, write new sentence equals empty string. New underscore sentence equals empty string.
Sorry.
And on line 7, replace sentence with new sentence.
Wait, sentence.
Line 8 now.
No, 8. Sentence plus equals.
Because advid said you are modifying variable while looping the variable, you probably want a new variable as output. Advids, you are correct. And on line 10, let's replace sentence with new sentence. Okay, we're almost there. Now go down to line after the for loop. Exit the for loop.
Well, you mean?
So go to line 15 and make a new line just to make it look clean. And we'll say hit enter.
Enter. Okay.
Let's say sentence equals new sentence. Parens. No, not parens. I'm sorry. I was misthinking. Now finally we can print sentence.
Oh, whoa.
But print is a function, so it needs parens.
Sorry, my brain is not.
Okay, there's a lot to keep track of. No quotes around sentence on line 17.
Oh yeah, just what? Oh my gosh! Holy smokes!
Okay, let's run first, just to see the output.
Huh?
Oh, it looks funny.
Apples are tasty. So I feel like I did something wrong. Let
That's
me see.
correct. This is the behavior that I wanted.
Oh, why? It's basically capitalizing like every other.
Yeah, that's what I wanted it to do. I guess I could have said that up front. But let's
Okay.
snoop this.
Okay. Okay. Apples are tasty. How is an empty string from 15 sentence character equals a if toggle is new sentence plus equals is new sentence um equals itself plus character upper. So yeah, capitalize the A. Okay. If toggle false, because toggle is false, somewhere true, it won't equal the uppercase anymore. It would just do a regular lowercase. Meaning, wait, give me a second. Hold up, give me a second.
Advits, you're
If
right. We could have simplified it with that.
wait, no, wait, just wait, give me a second, give me a second. If that's the case, if toggle is uppercase, otherwise, okay. And because I made toggle false, okay, okay. Huh, that's such a trippy oh, that's trippy. It's true, and because it's true, it's false.
Hmm.
Oh man, that's beautiful. That's beautiful coding. Um,
I'm glad you like it.
so yeah, that literally solves my problem. That literally solved this whole thing here, and then obviously having this solves my problem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've basically given you the solution by making a slightly more complicated program that
yeah,
contains the solution you're looking for.
yeah. Let me. Would you mind if I got rid of this?
You can get rid of that.
Just so
That's
I can.
fine.
Okay, just so I can like soak in how this was possible. Okay, let me just hold up. Let me just try to like soak this in. Um, okay, so this is true. Empty string because obviously we can't have a loop and use the same variable that's being used for the loop
Correct.
to also be a part of our expression or yeah a part of our expression. Like that's a whole disaster. That's why we had to create a new variable which is empty string. Um, okay, okay, okay. I see it. I see it. I see it. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Um, all right. Apples are tasty. Okay, apples are tasty. And just to prove a point of like how effective this was,
Hmm.
let me put all of this in upper cases.
Okay, that'll
Apples
work.
are tasty. To prove the point. Okay. Okay. So now okay, character was A, right? We wanted it uppercase because we set the condition of toggle being empty string, like empty string. Empty string equals itself plus the character of the value. I mean the variable, which is the given the the value of the variable sentence. You know, we took this character, which is A, and we essentially said the variable new sentence is new value is going to be basically the first character of sentence, but uppercase. I know I made that super confusing. We
Hmm.
printed that out. Okay, now we got it. We just print out an A. All right, but now we introduce how do I say it? We introduce Okay, now I'm confusing myself as I try to explain how I understood this. Okay, if toggle equals this and plus equals upper, otherwise else new sentence is plus equals if toggle. Okay, okay. Let's not look at this. Let's not look at this. Let's look at this.
Okay.
Okay, because okay, so we're printing out the first character, which is A as an uppercase, um, because what because what's the term of this again? Character dot upper. What's the correct term? The
It's a
syntax.
method.
Syntax.
Dot
It's a
upper is a
method.
method.
Okay. Because of this method, we we basically put A as an uppercase, which I know it's already an uppercase because I put it in all caps.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now
But
it printed out that.
character dot upper can take an uppercase character and leave it uppercase, so that's okay.
Oh, so it leaves it uppercase. Okay. So so because if toggle, because toggle is already true, if toggle is true, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I'll just put it that way. If toggle is true, change it to false. Now, because of the fact that I already placed this um, long after this,
Mm-hmm.
it still has an opportunity to at least print the first letter, the first output being capital A.
Well, to store the first
Now,
output.
to store the first output, A,
Mm-hmm.
capital A. Now, because of this, um, it's now proceeding to do like the next sequence of outputs, um, where toggle is false, equating to this condition, um, which makes any other further outputs after uppercase A to be lower cases after the A, um, which is P P L E S, and so far. Um, but this right here, sentence equals new sentence. That confuses that part is what confused me and why that was.
Let's scroll down to the bottom of Snoop and see if that helps.
Yeah. Is it because
Well, let's simplify things. Let's change this program. Delete line 14.
Okay. Because
and
I feel like
just print new sentence on line 14 or 15. Take your pick.
Oh, we could do 15. Print as new sentence.
Yeah, print new sentence.
Wait, what?
It's the same.
Yeah. So why couldn't we just?
Yeah, I should have done that. I should have done that from the start. It would have been simpler and easier to understand.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Yeah, I'm sorry. My mistake.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Good.
Because that makes a lot of sense. Because obviously we're not printing. Because it wouldn't make sense for me to go through all of this and print out sentence.
What if I told you I wanted to capitalize every new word?
Well, if that's the case, I would have just gotten rid of this.
Well, like
it...
capital A, lower P, lower P, lower L, lower E, lower S, space, capital A, lower R, lower E. That's what I'm going for.
Oh, snap. Hold up.
Here's what I'll do. I'll give you that answer, and then I'll have you try to solve the one that from the assignment that we got stuck on.
Okay.
So on line 13,
yeah.
Indent once. 4 spaces. If
like that?
No, you had it right before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, once from 0, not once from the relative. I was unclear. Okay. So if character equals, and that's 2 equal signs.
Oh, okay.
Empty string. Have we seen that before? Maybe we haven't seen that before. This might be
No,
going a
we
little too
we
far.
we we did the equals when we were messing around with integers.
Yeah.
We were doing something with integers as an example.
Yeah, I think I've shown them
Y-
before, so I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay.
colon.
Oh, in the same line?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Not comma, colon.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And then new
Okay.
line. Toggle equals true.
I don't like how this is looking. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, clean that up. That's good.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, let's run that.
The heck? Wait, what?
Oh,
I
did
did
I make a
something wrong?
mistake? Oh,
Okay. If
sorry. It shouldn't be empty string. It's never empty string. It should be space. This should work better. There it goes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. This is extra confusing.
Oh
Because
no.
of that equal. Because
Okay.
remember,
Let's
you only
take
showed me.
let's just skip over this then. Delete the equal. Don't worry about the equal. Let's go to the table of
Okay.
contents.
Okay. But give me a second to kind of like further soak in what I
Okay.
just did
Yeah,
because I
go
feel
ahead
like
and let this sink in.
yeah, I'm easily going to forget as we go back to that um section. Okay, for character sentence, if toggle equal character upper parentheses. Um, Otherwise, I want you to do this. If toggle equals false. Okay, okay. I think I probably could completely forget, but hey, let me
We'll
give it a
see.
shot. We're at if and no.
Yeah,
Is
if
it?
and
Yeah.
else. That's right.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, want me to okay. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna erase all of this.
Okay,
All right.
good.
I'm not gonna yeah, because then that defeats the purpose.
Right.
All right. So I'm going to do name equals
Well, they want sentence.
oh whoops. Already failed there.
Hmm.
Hello world. Okay. Then I'm going to need well, can I just do no, I need 3 variables, don't I? No, no, I don't.
You do
No, I
need 3
don't.
variables. You need a new sentence and you need a you could call it toggle or you could call it something else.
Okay. But how about talk? Okay. This is a new sentence because way equals and then toggle was true.
Lowercase t.
Oh,
On toggle.
whoops. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Now instantly we want to start with
Add bits,
for
thank you for the follow. I appreciate it.
wait for for sentence in yeah, I did in the right order this time, right? No, I didn't. I did in the right order, right?
Percent that's backwards.
Oh my gosh. You know, it's funny. I thought to do it this way. I was like, wait a minute, wasn't that the wrong way I did it? All right.
Think about it in sentence. Lots of characters fit in one sentence.
All right. Lots of characters fit in sentence. Okay. Okay, that's good.
But
Okay.
you can't fit a lot
Okay.
of sentences in one character.
Okay. If no, it wasn't if. I think it was an expression. No. If new new sentence. If new sentence. New, oh, wait, what am I doing?
Yeah,
If
you're
new
kind of going down the
sentence.
wrong path here.
Wow, how did I completely forget it? Yes, I did it already.
So
Wait,
what tells us
wait.
whether or not we want to give it a capital letter?
the char dot up
Well, char.upper is
character.
how we get the upper character, but what tells us whether we want the upper character?
I would say it's gonna involve an expression.
Mhm.
Wait.
And
Toggle?
yeah, it's toggle.
So- Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Toggle. If toggle. Um. New. Wait, sorry. Whoops. Sentence plus equals character dot upper uh else wait, else toggle? No. It was else.
So we have the two outcomes, right? Either we have an uppercase or else we have a.
I know the character lower, but don't I have to put else toggle? Or, no, because of the way I ended it.
You
The way
don't
I
write a
ended.
condition after else. You just write else colon.
Oh, okay.
That's the syntax for if and else. So it's if condition colon then else colon.
Wait, then else?
No.
No.
I'm sorry. Then I was being too literal.
Okay.
Scroll up on the left and you'll see the example of that. A little higher. A little higher.
Okay. Wait,
Oh, actually, yeah, you're right. That's a good example.
Yeah.
If else.
Okay.
If excited colon
Okay.
else colon.
Okay.
Yep.
New sentence plus equals character dot lower, and then if toggle equals false, and outside of it, wait. Okay, no, I don't like how that looks. Does that look so ill? Hey, all right. Why would I do that? Wait, hold up. I know something's probably off. For character in sentence, if toggle, then we're gonna change new sentence to be a character. Well, itself plus character dot upper, and if else, okay. But it's gonna print out the H first as a capital, and then it's gonna see this and be like, hey, I'm false now, so don't do this anymore. Instead, do this else condition and print out everything else, and it's normal. Yeah, get rid of that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Whew.
You
Oh
got
my
it.
gosh, my head hurts.
Well done. Good
Oh my
work.
gosh. Yeah. How long has it been now?
It's been 1 hour and 13 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Why didn't you say anything? I feel
We
so
were
bad.
making we were making good progress.
Okay. Holy smokes. Yeah, I'm done, but I'm just gonna like stare at this because this really pissed me off. Like I want to make sure I never forget this and I don't have to go through this again. Oh my gosh. That is infuriating. It feel and the more I look at it, like the more simple, I'm like, wait a minute, this is kind of like so simple. Like, why was I stuttering? I mean, why was I struggling with this?
Because it's a pattern you haven't seen before.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Okay. No, I appreciate the help so much. And yeah, one thing I couldn't help but notice is that when I click this,
Mm-hmm.
it says Python tutor.
Yeah, we could try clicking that too, just see what it is. I think it might take you to another website. Yeah, it does.
Wait. Oh wait, so it teaches me
You can
Wait, how
see
does it go?
it's a way to visualize the execution of Python programs.
Next time to execute. Oh wow. Oh, wait. So that means I have no use for you anymore. No, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. I never. No, I'm just. I'm teasing. I'm teasing. I'm teasing. Um, but no, I appreciate your patience
Mhm.
greatly. Um, yeah, I'm definitely keeping this tab up and trying to just try to further burn this into my memory.
And
um,
if you're looking to try other tools, someone mentioned PyCharm EDU. That's a free tool that
I,
might be worth looking at as
uh,
well.
but like a different site altogether to learn.
It's kind of hold on, let me I'm gonna take your screen off of the
Mm,
where is your screen? There it is. Okay. Um it's another well, so PyCharm is an IDE, integrated development environment, basically a
okay.
text editor plus a bunch of shiny tools.
Uh-huh.
PyCharm EDU is an educational edition of that program, and it comes along
It's
with
PyCharm.
some educational materials, and
Uh,
it might be helpful.
I'm seeing a website called JetBrains.
JetBrains is the company that makes PyCharm.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's download this thing. Let's go. Hopefully, I don't have to spend any money.
Did you download
Uh,
did you download PyCharm EDU, or did you download the standard edition of PyCharm?
uh-oh.
You might have downloaded the
Uh-oh.
professional one that they're going to try to get you to pay for. Yeah.
Whoops. Whoops.
Yeah, you
go
want
on.
PyCharm EDU.
It's funny because I Googled PyCharm and it still gave me PyCharm EDU and it still gave me, oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I don't like paying for money. I don't like paying for anything.
Mhm.
Cancel. Nope, nope. I'm too broke for that. All right,
Sure.
download free. Download free. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's downloading now. Um, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. I do feel burned out mentally, but I feel like if I stop for even a day,
Mhm.
I lose momentum.
Yep, I
To
agree.
whereas,
And I
yeah,
think new tools are exciting, but there's something to be said for finishing this future coder thing that we started.
yeah.
And
Oh, yeah.
you can always go to like relearn things, and it'll sink in
Right.
better the second time.
Oh, well, without a doubt. Um, wait, wait 1 second. Okay, PyCharm Community Edition. Okay. Without a doubt. Um, wait, is the streaming still going?
The stream is still going, but your video is not making it to the stream. Your voice is.
Okay. Okay. Um, no, I definitely appreciate you helping me
Thank you.
learning all these days. It's a great level of patience, and it's been very helpful, and I'm very grateful for it.
Okay,
Yeah, we can
glad to hear
definitely
it.
end the stream. Yeah.
I'm gonna stay live and work on some of my own stuff, but you can take off.
Oh, okay, okay. So I just disconnect from the ping.
Yeah, and I'll mute your audio as well. But yeah, you can disconnect from the ping.
Okay,
See you
I'll
around.
message you on Discord. See you.
Okay, time to reassemble my streaming stuff. Let's actually go to a text break. They're watching. Adviz says this was the most wholesome and useful stream I've seen in a long time. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. You know what? Let's actually go full webcam. Why not? And how's everyone doing tonight? I'm gonna take my headphones off because I'm not on a call anymore. You know what? I'm gonna clip that, and I'm going to pin this message. We can leave it on there for like 120 minutes. Between, manually unpinned or end of stream. We'll just do it that way. And we're gonna copy this, go to text edit, paste that, add, I think it's add vils. I've been saying it wrong. I said add vits, add veets, add vites, add viz. It's add vils. I could use some water to drink, so I'm gonna go on a stream break. And when I come back, I'll probably be working on my Choose Your Own Lesson project. Okay, we are bringing it back to the stream. Let me get everything set up some more. Pardon me while I get my cameras sorted. I love that angle, but it could work. Okay, I'm feeling okay about this as a look. So let's bring that over there. Oh, and bring up to do text. We're actually going to bring try workflowy again to the top of the to-do list. Oh wait, that's a little weird. Bring that up to, well, like there. I don't love that camera placement, but we're gonna allow it for now. Right, try workflowy again. Here we go. Where's PyCharm? Do I even have PyCharm open right now? Do apparently. But I've got it on sorting algos because that's what I was working on the last time. Bring it over to choose your own lesson. Go full screen with it. Where am I in Git? I'm on draft. .ds store. Ugh. Yeesh. Okay, let's add .ds store to git ignore. Not opening up .env. Input /wf learn Python by making m. Right, that's the so welcome 5 viewers. Let me tell you what I've been working on. I have been working on something to go from an outline that looks like this in a in Workflowy, which is a program I like to work with for writing outlines. And it happens that I can, well, let's look more at this outline. We have anchor pages, things with titles like Welcome to Learn Python by Making Music, Hello World, Software Setup, First Look at the Code, Wrapping Up. And I can export this to OPML. It's showing my email, which isn't great, but whatever. Then yeah, I'll just do those parts manually. We can go back over here. Not here. We want to go here. I don't want you to automatically add external files. Now we have input workflow, choose your own lesson. And I want to think about getting it back to workflowy status. In fact, let's see here. Do git status again. On tracked files, but we're gonna leave that alone for now. Check out -b draft Notion. Push. Oops, git push su origin draft Notion. That's better. Now git checkout draft, do a git log. We're not going to make it async. Put .github into interim, remove interim files. Flow from Notion to OpenML to Pelican content works. Work in progress. Work in progress. Oh, that's some great commit messages right there. Add question not found page. Add requirements.txt. Commit Pelican output. This was on Sunday. Fix error. Let's go take a look at the last one on Sunday. Maybe not the last one on Sunday. So on Sunday, I had it in Notion. So before Sunday, or at least at the beginning of Sunday. Delete legacy code, fix parser error, probably other stuff too. Work in progress too. So on, let's see what we had by the end of Saturday. What is this? Okay, that's as far over as I can go. We can make this small though. Let's see what the output looks like. The Pelican content. I don't think it has the... Why does it say title installing PyCharm Community Edition? I don't think this is the commit I want to pull things from. Sunday at 8, Sunday at 19, Sunday at 18. This might be the one I want. See how the content looks. More importantly, let's see. Why is my screen freaking out sometimes? Okay, so you have a question that wasn't listed. That's in there. That's good. Wait, we already have an import from Notion. We want to go back some more. I want to see the state of utility. I think this is the one I want. Yeah. So where are we now? Let's... get reset hard to there. I think I want to grep. Come on, grep diff. Ocean play, OPML play, I don't care about that. Wait, was there socket ignore, input? You have a diff, that's interesting. There is differences in main.py. Let's do... Oh, there's my dinner already. That was quick. Because I have to go to BRB mode. Okay. Let's get back to it. What's going on over there? All right. What should we title the stream now? It's time to change it. I guess we'll change it to developing choose your own lesson. Wow, it updates that real fast. Computers. That's quite a thing. Okay, let's look at version control again. For the DS store and the interim, I want to check out from draft notion dot git ignore and interim slash dot git ignore. Behind origin draft, right? Because I pulled it back. That makes sense. I'm going to say push and it's going to say rejected. I'm going to do push dash F because I already put the Notion stuff in another branch. Should I do a sanity check on GitHub and make... Nah, I'm fine. So I don't care about import from Notion. Let's go to the next diff. I don't care about differences in pages.opml. I don't care about that. Differences in main.py I might care about. Now wait a second. Which of these I get switched around with Git sometimes, and I forget if the. So let's just look at main and see which version is in my working directory. Why is pprint and UUID not used? I should clean that up. Okay, so we lose the main function and we gain having pages equal such and such. Okay, that's fair. Let's go to the next diff. My XML, I don't care about that. I don't care about Notion at play. I don't care about OPyML play. I don't care about the Pelican content ones. Or Pelican output, for that matter. Utility I potentially care about. We lost Pickle. We lost all the async stuff, that's fine. Okay, most of this stuff is the same, so we'll go to, oh, that was the last one. Okay, quit. All right, I'm comfortable with moving forward from where we are now. Let's actually make sure that the stuff runs though with the new version of input slash. Okay, come on, PyCharm, why are you not giving me hints here? Yeah, that's fine. Let's check that it's all working before we commit anything. Also, welcome 4 viewers who may have shuffled in. Thanks for hanging out. Run main. Okay, let's debug before here. I think I imported the wrong level of stuff. Let's see how this is pulling this. Outline equals that.parse. Anchor pages equals outline 0. How do you figure that? Okay, let's start again. We already failed. Oh yeah, because I did a different file here. So it's actually learn Python by making m.opml. Debug that. Title text raw is empty string? Why? We have on YouTube, PewPewPython. I like the username. Asks, is this live for educational purposes? Right now it's for kind of hanging out while I work purposes. But if you have a question you'd like to learn about, we could kind of redirect the stream. What'd you have in mind? PewPewPython says nothing, just hanging around. I was studying Python on YouTube and ran into you live. Cool. Glad to have you. I keep going the wrong way. We're gonna say this is OPML outline and OPML bullet, OPML. I don't know what to call this. Names are hard. OPML outline 0. I don't need to print the outline. Anchor pages equals OPML next level down 1. And oh my gosh, this code is way out of date. Shoot, I should have been more careful which one I decided to work from. I feel like I'm going to be duplicating effort here. I don't get the right commit. If that commit even exists, does it? Let's go to GitHub. How's that for a commit message? Fix parser error, probably other stuff too. Why would it not load the diff? Can I go next? Maybe not. This is the one I want, I think. Yeah, this is the one I want. Copied the commit hash, so we can do terminal. We're just gonna hack, just like taking a hacksaw to this Git repository. And now let's go input slash. Is it gonna figure that out for me? No. Copy path reference, file name. Let's stop and rerun. Okay, that's working as it should be. Now we can look at, is Pelican Listen still going? Wow, it's 8 o'clock. Oops. Okay, here we go. Take me to the next Edgar video. This time I'm gonna commit a to-do. Do I have a to-do.txt? I do. Design data. Yeah, we've done that. What's next? Pew Pew Python, what were you studying about Python on YouTube? Well, you know what? We did try Workflowy again, so I can mark that as done. You know, I don't love this video camera location, so let's just cut it out. Close enough. I don't know why I'm fussing with that. Because I don't want to actually make decisions about what to do, that's why. Hold on 1 second. Something on the mic. Write lesson content is what's next. I'll admit it. That or I could start recording the videos. That might be interesting. Hang out on stream while I record the videos for this thing. And then I can show off a finished prototype with videos and everything. I would like that. Yeah, I like that. Let's do that. Wow, interesting colors in the background when I go to full webcam. Let me show you. We've got natural light from the window over there. And we've got artificial light from a lamp over here. And we've got like a warm light, a cool light. And it's kind of strange. I don't know if I like it, but it's interesting. All right, I guess I need to pull up the script somewhere else since I'm not looking at it on my main preview screen right now. Welcome to Learn Python by Making Music. This is a choose your own lesson. I don't like how that's redundant. I can say it's a choose your own lesson adventure produced by Eric K. Anderson. I don't know if I like that either. This is a choose your own lesson product produced by Eric K. Anderson. That doesn't work. How about this is a choose your own lesson produced by Eric K. Anderson? That kind of works. We're gonna do it that way. Okay, welcome to Learn Python by Making Music. Oh, welcome to Learn Python by Making Music, comma, hello world. Welcome to Learn Python by Making Music, hello world. This is a choose your own lesson produced by Eric K. Anderson. Okay, we're recording. Welcome to Learn Python by Making Music, hello world. This is a choose your own lesson produced by Eric K. Anderson. I felt a little silly, but at least I'm getting it done. Let's go back to the script now. And reorder the to-do. I need my headphones for this. Okay, let's go back to scripting now. Oops, we need this one. I'm gonna be a little bit facetious isn't the word here, but why wouldn't you want to learn Python by making music? Seriously. Learning Python by making music is a fun and creative way to explore programming. It offers immediate feedback and engages beginners. By combining music with Python, you will gain practical skills, problem-solving abilities, and access to a vibrant community of creative coders. Can anyone else really tell that ChatGPT wrote that answer? Maybe that's enough stream for today. Who could we raid anyway? Yeah, it's time to get offline. I've been on enough today. Let's go to text break. Thanks for watching. We'll go to the choose your own lesson thing. Cut to there. Thanks Twitch, thanks YouTube. Glad to have some people stopping by. And let's call it a stream. Thanks.